again to another design. So today I am going to be redesigning a particular design that I did years back without any, audio. So now I'm going to take you step by step how I create it. So it's the Dolphin kind of logo. So what I'm going to do first is you need to select your ellipse tool, you understand. So then hold down the control key on your keyboard. If you're using a command system, if you're using an iPhone Apple system, you can just hold down the command button. So I'm going to draw this big circle and put it at the center. Then the next thing I'm going to do is select my freehand tool. You can see that F5 to get it. Then right here, I'm going to draw a straight line and just click and move to the other edge and drop it there. So I will be selecting my shape tool right here. You can see it at the top here. Select the shape tool and convert this straight line to curve by right clicking and click to curve. You understand? So then the next thing I want to do is to raise this kind of up like this and also bring this downward this way. So we're trying to get the upper part of our that's in the head shape of our dolphin, and this is what we have done so far. So we have this in this way. Now I'm still going to make use of my freehand tool again and select, click on this edge right here and go up a little bit and click. Then click on it again on that same node point and click on the other final end or move my, click and release my mouse. So I will still do the same thing by converting it to curve, right? Convert it to curve, convert the line to curve. I'm not selecting the line. Let's hit on the line and convert it to curve. And here I have it to go this way. You understand? So I have it to, let it have a swing, kind of shapey, and I would do the same with the other side of the line. Here you can see, just follow along and do yours, and let's see. Okay, so I have this created. Now I am still going to take this freehand tool again, and I will be you know drawing another straight line from here to this point right here and convert it as well to curve, convert line to curve. You can see that again. So I will just have this selected this way. Okay, so I have this my way and this way. So you get what I meant, what I'm doing right now. So I can still move this way. Okay. Now that I've created this, I still also will go and pick my shape tool and click on this and draw something of this nature, something like this, and click and come back again and drop it on this edge. Oh, sorry. Let me do it again. I click on the edge and click again. Once you click, if you want to continue the line, just click on that same edge. You understand? Click on that same edge and go ahead and put it go back, select the shape tool and, convert to curve. So we're going to be using the curve to, you understand? So this is what I'm able to come up with. Convert to curve. You can just follow along. So this is it. I think I'm going to make some adjustment to this so we have it well shaped. Now we're about going to the final part of drawing. So I'm going to select this, put points to this edge here, and I release my hand and put it again. Then sit on that same node, click, and I will click on this and select curve and something of this, and make this also a little bit curvy. All right, so we can bring this down a little. So let's see. So I think it's pretty okay. Then let's just draw an eye. All right, so I turn the eye. Use this as the eye. Okay, so here we have it. We have it right here. So now let's use our, smart fill tool. Fill in here, fill here, fill here, fill here, and as well fill here. So now we're going to choose, say, we'll add the shift key, click on every shape and Control X. All right, so now we're deleting everything we've done. Control A, delete, and Control V to paste. So you see what we've been able to come up with. It's that interesting, right? So now let's just fill it with a good color. So I'm gonna put this. Let's make it a little bit darker. Okay, so I'm gonna have this. Okay. Let's repeat it on this. Click. Repeat this again. Yeah. And this and this. So this place may look like the belly part of it. So let's give it a lighter color. So this is what we've been able to create. You understand? So you can see how from a circled shape we're able to create this. So if you like this video, if you like what you've just seen, if you like, you can go ahead and try it for yourself. And CorelDRAW is just that easy to make use of. So I'm going to remove all outline. I don't want any outline to display, so I can just come here and click on none. So this is it. So I think I need that to still remain since it's a logo. So let me just have my outline right there. So okay, so this is it. Thank you for staying with me. Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.